What's up again? All you people in the diaspora and across the world. It is Life is a Mission TV. What's up, my beautiful people? How is the beginning of the week? Life is good. Life is great. Just going up, up, up like age. Not coming down. You understand? So I just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, tell a relative and neighbor, a co-worker. Yeah. And when you hit on this video, just press that thumbs up and leave your comment below. And please press the notification bell so when a video drop, you'll be notified. Alright, my people. Today, I just come for going a word of foolish advice, you know. And you see that video, yeah? Well, more especially for the people that live overseas. Because you can't even live in your own country and trust people on a certain level to conduct certain business for you. And where it warrant a owner's signature, you allow them to be the signature bearer. But my people, I want you to remember this and put this in the back of the head. You understand me I say to you? No? Put this in the back of the head and take my foolish advice. Take Life is a Mission TV advice. My foolish advice. You see, especially on foreign people who live a foreign and I do certain business in Jamaica. Not even Jamaica itself. On people who have their own birth land and the elsewhere in other country I work on hard earn money. And I transact certain business, you know, on the birth land or anywhere else, even at the same country where they're presently, where the business need ownership signature. You don't think twice here. No trust nobody, no friend, no family, no neighbor. I could have a brother, a sister, a auntie, a uncle, a niece, a mama, a papa think twice. Too much times we see people being sorry. And most times it's not everybody just take it like that and say, alright, let it go. Make it go on. Me will live for work more. And me see, me live for sooner. You know? God will deal with you know. Yeah. God help those that help themselves. So you can't see certain things that happen every day. And because of desperately, you're desperate, you make it reach you. You understand? You can't make it reach you. Because of desperately. Because, hear me I say now. When you find on the work, on the hard working money, on the decide so now go in a certain business. In a native country. And as me say, it can't even same place only there, but probably time again, so no, one don't have that time there. And not even much time neither. The business won't have probably plan for going now. You can't be the one where bear ownership. If you can't bear ownership and you don't plan to lose, or don't have that mindset say boy anything happen, me I take a risk, leave it alone. Yes, my people, you think twice. You can't see things that happen on your face every day and you hear about it on the news, you read about it, and you still make it end up come happen to you. You understand? And it's hard. For you work on the money, especially the people where they are foreign, I work in a snow, I feel I work 2-3 jobs to make things happen. Because you know, soon the goal you want to reach. And the tell you say, alright, me I put in 5, 6, 7 years, 10 years, what of this I work here, you know. After 10 years, yes, me can retire. Because me can know to myself, say within 10 years, me can achieve my goal. Because you don't do your maths and set out your thing. And you have the discipline. You understand? No phone no send come by house or yard. And when you send come by house or yard, you leave it up to family member and close friend and relative. If you go through procedure. go through lawyer. Whoa. If you go through procedure, sign up documents. Now documents need ownership endorsement. Uno give relative and friend privilege to sign. No! If Uno can't find the time to come a yard, or Uno not available to come a yard, don't do it. As me say, Uno can do it, you know, but just put it in the back of the head so risk Uno run. Anything can happen, can draw down the line. And as me say, Uno remember the endorsed signature is the person who own the place by law, and there is nothing you can do. You understand? You think you can come tell courthouse say, I made it send $15 million come buy the house. You send $15 million come buy the house. That is no proof to the court. No proof to the court. Is a signature with upon the land title or the receipt at that count. And the most prominent one is house, land, and car. You understand? You have a next set of people where they are foreign and them feel like it's a public passenger vehicle. Yeah, it's a way for making money. Because even in Jamaica, as a man get redundant and making money, the first thing him run go buy one car and him gonna run taxi. It's not a good investment. Me come through the ranks of it and me can tell you, public passenger vehicle is not a good investment. Me I speak for Jamaica now, me don't know about nowhere else. It's not a good investment. And at the same time, government use motorists to make the volume of money where them want to make. So you have a time where them come and them tell you how much, okay, we are giving away 50 road license. And then after them give you the 50 road license, them create some other things. Because of where you is concerned, and before you could have make back your money, you know, problem here, there, and everywhere. So as me I say, my people, when you know that America, Canada, England, and when you know in the world, I want to go invest. You see, if you can't sign on a signature as owner on the documents, leave it alone until you can do it. Too much time we hear say family send brother send money come give sister, auntie, or uncle, or mother for buy place, and when the place buy na for them name. And when attack claps come and certain situation come, them can't claim it. So when them have to start to know, start think evil. And who don't want to do that because here what happen now. If me work my money so hard in a cold and sweat and send my money come as you as a relative for you have my back. You understand? For you to have my back. Where me can trust you for do the business locally because me can't afford to come, whether me legal or me illegal or the time just not dead, and me say right, deal with it. And trust you that you can put your name in the system. And at the end of the day, things might go bad for my side as most time I'm under a foreigner working much more money, whether I'm a carry nurse, I sell nurse. I don't know what I call nurse already. That white something there. And him end up in him look up predicament and thing, him probably end up get deported and so him have 115-20 million to come back to, and one nice also him did send come by outside them time there. When him come back, you see that him don't have no house. You see that also him expect cannot eat him come see. When him show him have 20 million, him gonna have 20,000 in the account. Family member name down the house like Chichi. Run down the house. Probably the house so them send one picture go give him. So the house this is a next man house next door when the lapidated house so them have next door where them buy. I know them they go put a sheet of zinc on the house top or like a paint on the wall. You swear say you alright. So you go do your little time or whatsoever, you come back and say, alright, them I deport me, alright, me have $120 million down a yard and one nice house can go down to go and live off until things go on and I go back on my foot. When you no come, nothing at all. And this is what cause most of the family feud them. This is what cause most family feud in Jamaica too. Because family come back from foreign and come see nothing where them spending much money And so say them have a yard and don't have it. How much money in a bank account, and when them come the money no in there because them love everything to family, friends and strangers. Uno remember anything uno signature no depend. By law, it's not phone no one, so uno be careful. Don't get giddy headed to you want one house and you want one much car a yard and way. And when you come, you have 10 car a yard, and when you end up come down here, you can't claim one. People get bad mind against you. Your own family, your own friend, your closest friend. Because when it come on to the thing named the papers, the money that corrupt whole heap of people are very few in the system. We're honest. I know say boy, yes. Me nah gonna make greed get the better of me. Because this brethren here, this sister in America, anything me want, me can get it. If me say me I beg you this, me get it. Sometimes me nah have to beg them send it. They make me feel comfortable. So now that me that yard and to do certain transactions, certain business with them, whether me have to use my name or what, me just have to do it to the best of my ability and make them feel comfortable. So them can have even more trust in me. But you know, most of we know, we're penny wise and we're pound foolish. We have a bridge in a foreign way, or a sister in a foreign, where we said anything come give it. Whether we beg it, or them just, they are fine and them mind one point. Right, me I send a thing go give us, you know, way. And when you check a stat, a man we are saying I say, for the year a man saying I want 5,000 US come give you. Calculate a 5,000 US in Jamaican at even 150 or one. But here I know, the man give you 1,000 US for put on and you're going at it. I'm give you 1,000 US for get an individual and you feel like the individual is not good enough to get it and you hold it. I never know, so one day down the line, it a got come out. Say, boy, the individual never get the 1,000 car. When them correspond to that person, I say, they were asking, boy, if they are foreign, you say, nothing come give me, or boy, look how you promise me the 1,000 US, and you know, send it come give me, and me did the deal that thing. No, man, they did send it come give John, man. Yeah, man. And that's so now the man, I gonna know, say, John never give you the money. So here what me know. If the man they decide for dish than you know, a whole heap of last time for John, you know. Because John used to get at least 5,000 a year and he make you 1,000. Him lose a 5,000 there. Penny wise and pound foolish. So money is a thing where corrupt people. So when you sending the money come buy a house, sending the money come and do business, when you sending the money come buy a car. Right now, I'm telling you what I say. I'm right now, as me I speak to you, a man that foreign, and him there with a woman. And the woman, him buy one car. And to my understanding, I don't know if the car in a fair name, but more likely in a fair name, the car also. But it a run taxi, and the plate, you don't know local taxi, the plate a red plate. The plate in a fair name because she go through the procedure and license the car as a taxi, so everything in a fair name because him not there. Right now, what kind of feud them have? I don't know if them fully separate or them just have them disagreement. This month of March, the 31st, is the deadline for re-license the car. And them open the system for start re-license from early February. And up to this day, this woman decides that she not license back the car. So you know, so after the 31st of this month, that car will have to park. What you call that? A sabotage, you know? Because it's in a fair name. And a fair one, a fame one. And there's nothing him can do. And right now, if she decide to play even harder, she can stop the car on road and take the plate off of it. And them can't do nothing. Not to mention if the car in a fair name, she can't take the whole complete car. Despite she knows that in the back of her head and a fair car and a fair nothing, she just deal with the paperwork because she there. But true she and the man in a nothing now, she has sabotaged the whole thing. So this is what me I said to you, say, be careful of how you make people put on signature pan. You understand what me I said to you? Me make a suggestion to them and say to them, say, boy, you want to do? It's either the man friend but the woman, you know. One way or the other, you know. Friend her up and get her for realize the car and further down. Or when the man realize it, it makes you do some transfer with the documents. You understand? And if she refuse to do that, PR. Tell her say you have a year plate, you know, because your money, you know, it's only in a fair name. PR. Tell her you say you pay even 50,000. If you go do the paperwork and transfer the documents then. Since you're not in a nothing and she want done with you, you pay 50,000 to transfer the document, go deal with the papers and transfer it in another name. Yeah. And if she refuse now, then you know she definitely a sabotage if she want the car park up. Then know what happen. Because if my things are my money, me and you doing your things, you do the paperwork to me, and after you do the paperwork to me, you fall out after a while, you want to sabotage me. Me go as far and a friend you up, you don't want that. Me go as far and I go pay you 50,000 to do the paperwork, transfer it, remember my money, my plate, everything it's only in a year name. By law, well a year one as me say. And you refuse to do that. You gonna make me think how we against you now. Because you think wicked against me, so you gonna think evil against you too. And these are the things that sometimes lead to people that get dirt. Because as me say, I know everybody I go look strong enough to look over certain things and say bygone be bygone. This no work of life. This no. You understand? You have a man that go just pretty different. I say no man, you're pretty wicked. You're pretty wicked. And tomorrow might just hear somebody miss around the road there, so, or tomorrow them find you around so, or them find you around so, because you were just playing too hard. You understand? And this man don't have the strength probably like me for do such all. Loud that it not worth it. All me have to do, take off the red plate and sell the car. If him can sell the car to call the title, could have never stamp out neither. And she could have play another hardball, they so stamp out the title. So it come like the car definitely not in a feet, man. So this is what I'm saying to the people. Be careful, foreign people, when you know a transact business, especially in a Jamaica, you want to sit down and foreign and say, yes, all is well and all is good. And when you not come, nothing. If you can't endorse on a signature by technology, because some business you don't know is not all. Some business you have to do it physically. Some business where you don't know, you can probably do that little system there online or email, or you have to email your signature, your documents, and all is good. If it can't work, so you know, leave it alone until it can happen. And don't come have hard failure after on the work, on hard earn cash and can't come inherit and benefit. You don't expect say their yard for inherit and benefit. You don't come. Better it in a phone name. I want to go through the procedure. I want to send whether something the name. The notary business there. If a man for contract the business phone, on send get a notary wait name there. We have call it just of the piece down here. On know where name up there. On know where name up there. You understand? I want to deal with it. I want to give the person permission whether for a year or 2 years, because I think after a certain time for overseas, it serves like depends on the business for a certain period, 6 months, 1 year, 3 months, whatsoever. You understand? You can give them full access to deal with the thing, but don't give them no full access to deal with the paperwork. Any other thing away from paperwork. Don't grant them the permission where them can sell if them want to sell, or them can change upon title or upon paper. Nothing paperwork. Them not nothing to do with the paperwork. But any other business them can't deal with it. Them can transact any other business them want to transact. You understand? But not give them no privilege by no notary public. If you can't do not read this and read that pan of paper. Ease yourself, my youth. You understand? Well, you can do this or do that pan of paper. You understand? So, life is a mission, people. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You understand? Press that thumbs up. Press the notification bell to be notified. I'm out. Thanks for watching.